One, and we're live. It's the Kent Beck Scrum, and it's Sam and Michael, and also possibly Alex as well. Alex is here. Here we go. Great to have you with Alex. Let's start with Michael. Any updates from you?
Yeah, so I just did 2 pull requests this morning.
Mm-hmm.
One to hopefully sort out the issues with last commits on GitHub
Yes.
projects.
Mm-hmm.
That should fix the issue with SHF
Mm-hmm.
and the hyphen in their name. I didn't go full-blown acceptance test, but I did. I wrapped a test around the GitHub commit job.
Right.
And also a test around the extracting of the repo name.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And it seems like now, before the fix, it was returning a nil for the last update.
Mm-hmm.
Because it was getting the wrong repo name.
Right.
Now it's returning something that's actually a value.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other thing I put in was a fix for the charity ID in the footer.
Mm-hmm.
That was pretty simple.
Great. Yeah. Well, the fixed most recent commit, that looks ready to go. I see we've got a failure on this one. I imagine that's probably just I need to kick that off again. But that's great work, Michael. Yeah, anything blocking you?
No.
Fantastic. Yeah, that looks like an intermittent failure. So I'll just restart that and hopefully get these all merged in soon. Excellent. And we've got Abimi is here. Welcome. Welcome. Is this your first Scrum, Abimi?
Sam, his name is Freddy. Yes, it's his first
Freddy. Ah, excellent. And then Freddy, are you part of the Redeemify project?
Yes.
Ah, okay, that all makes sense. Fantastic. Yes. Well, let me just do my update, and then we'll get on to the Redeemify things. Thanks, Michael, for your report. So Michael was just asking. Yeah, we're doing these 1 week sprints for the website one. I have. What have I done? No, too many windows and not enough time. Yes, so I've merged the one that basically updates it so that when people sign up for Agile Ventures, they get redirected to the getting started page. So that's actually now on staging with a bug fix, and I'm sort of in the process of pushing those out. We've got Romusk working on this G+ button to Google. He's having trouble getting his build green, and so this was actually another ticket that I took, but he sort of jumped in on, and yeah, we're seeing how that's going. And then the other one that I was working on was this thing about we've got yeah, like just a sort of cosmetic thing, and Ashley has sort of said, oh no, we shouldn't have these pop-up things. Anyway, if you're interested, you can find the ticket and check it out. I've just come from a meeting with director from Pivotal in New York and talking about possible collaborations between Agile Ventures and Pivotal Labs, which would be fantastic if we can land it. But the Ruby mob coming up right after this, bit of a squashed day. Yeah, I think that's probably all the things to focus on. What we've also got is the Redeemify project, folks. Matt has moved on, and I'm coming in as a temporary project manager for Redeemify. So let's go on to Alex is here. Yeah, Alex. Do you want to just give a general report on how things are going with you at the moment?
Sam, I would be glad if you approve pull request.
Now, Alex that seems
up to 100%, and I want to continue with updated version.
Your audio froze there for a moment, so I turned your video off, Alex. So you said you'd like me to approve the pull request on Redeemify, and then what was the other thing that you said?
The other thing is that I have prepared a new one that updates the templates entirely, improve tests coverage up to 100% for all the controllers. And I think if everybody else want to participate, that will be convenient if they will work with updated version.
Okay, great. Yeah, so this is the PR that we've been looking at, and I made some suggestions and you made some changes, and so you're hoping to get this one merged and then you've got another PR that you're going to make soon. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Yes, great. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, I guess what I wanted to do here, just Freddie's dropped out, so we'll just come in here. I mean, you know, we had a good back and forth on this pull request. You know, you sort of cleaned up all these things. It's all looking. The thing that I wanted to highlight, and I'm happy to merge this, you know, because the tests are all passing and so on. That my concern with it slightly is still that we have some areas like this where the methods are very long. Do you know what I mean?
Of course.
And I don't know what from your point. I guess I don't think we have code climate on this. Do you have a feeling about what's your preferred method length? Like, what's the maximum number of lines in a method before which starts to make you uneasy?
Yes, I agree with you that methods should be short and self-documented, and we will continue in this direction. But I think we can work in agile process step by step, improving controllers methods.
Okay. I think that's absolutely fine. So I think I'll be happy to merge this then, because I don't want it like hanging over us. I think what we should do is maybe that for maybe I will go ahead and do it, but is create. I think what's important is keep track of where we build up technical debt. So maybe we can open what I call refactoring ticket. And I guess is that actually, we've got this one here, refactoring of controllers to redundant. That's redundant code. I would maybe add, like, I'll just do it now. So refactoring.
Sam, I have already created it.
Sorry, go on. You've got a you've got you mean you've got an issue that you've already created?
Created, yes, issue.
Oh, now which one of the? It's in this repo or a different repo?
Number 74.
Okay. So okay, you got duplication of code, sure. Yeah, and so my concern. So that's great, duplication of code. I guess I'd add like my concern is with method length. Just put in here. I like Sandy Metz's heuristic of max 5 lines per method. So great. Well, we've got a thing to work on there. So yeah. All right. Excellent. Well, and as long as we've got that recorded, then I think I'm happy to go ahead and we can merge this in now.
Matt, Sam, one question.
Please.
Can you squash the commits?
Oh, can I squash the commit? Yes. It's going to happen, I think, automatically here, this squash and merge. So
yes.
Yeah. So that'll come down into a single commit there like this, and it's going to be this. That's going to be the single commit message, and then it's going to have like a long description with all those in it. Is that okay? Is that good for you?
Can we change? Can we update the commit message?
Oh, you want to update the commit message? Sure. How would you like to change it?
As issue, eliminate duplication of code, and the controllers will be fine, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'll go ahead. I'll do the.
In general, but it will suit well.
Yeah. I'm happy to change if you just want to post text in the Slack and I can change it, or I'll just go ahead and do that. You tell me. I'm the robot. Tell me what to do. Should I press the button? Should I press the button?
Press the button.
I'm pressing the button. The button is pressed. All right. There we go. So that's in. I want to say like well done to Alex. 4. Ooh, you're hard work on this. Woo! That's good. Ta-da thing there as well. Yay! Okay. So you also created like a little list there of what's it called? Questions for the meeting, which maybe we can. Well, we see. I guess I probably need to break because silly Thursday ends up being. And I think we might have to move the Ruby mod. But anyway, but yeah. So you've got these various things. Basically, it sounds like maybe we can have a longer meeting on Tuesday, and we can make the Kent Beck on Tuesday the regular time to kind of look into that.
Yes.
And we can discuss maybe more of these questions then. Does that sound good?
Yes, it sounds good.
Excellent. Okay. Well, I'll say feel free if there's anything else that's kind of blocking or stopping you guys moving forward, then just ping me in here in the Slack, and we'll sort out. Otherwise, let's touch base again next Tuesday, and we can maybe have a bit longer to kind of go through all the different issues. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Great.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. So that's our Scrum, I think. Unless anybody else has any other business, I'm going to turn off the broadcast and go and get ready for the Ruby mob. Yeah?
When is the mob? In 15 minutes or?
It's in like 3 minutes.
Okay.
So, and Michael, you're planning to come to the mob?
Yeah, I will be there.
Yeah. Maybe if we start like 5 minutes later, but it may just be you and me, but we'll see. All right. Alex, good to see you. Love your little Japanese or Chinese, I can't tell, icon there with everything. Lovely. And we'll speak again soon. Bye for now.
Bye. Thank you.